It started as a normal day, but in a split second, everything changed. The driver steps out of his vehicle, completely unaware his truck is about to turn into a runaway weapon. The driver behind the dash cam immediately sees the danger. He blasts his horn, a desperate warning, trying to alert the truck driver to the disaster unfolding behind him, but the truck keeps rolling. But in moments like this, all it takes is one person to act. That's when he appears. Not everyone runs toward danger, but this man didn't hesitate. While others might have watched in shock, he chose to act.